Morning.
Hello, you right?
So, our lovely model Palmer in the corner.
Yeah.
What is Palmer wearing today?
Well, apart from my Swallows vest, patterns available on Etsy, by the way, people. Apart from that, he is wearing our newest pattern, which is called the St Ives scarf, and it was originally designed. We originally designed it as a St Albans scarf, and it became the St Ives scarf when we swapped over to the Gorgeous Yarns. With, I haven't got the skeins here, unfortunately, from the Gorgeous Yarns, but this is something else I'm working on, so you can see Gorgeous Yarns. So they are available as a kit, and they went live on, well, they don't actually go live till Monday, but they were open for pre-orders from Monday because Caroline hand dyes them with natural dyes, and she dyes them in batches of 10. Well, she put the 10 on Monday and she's down to 2. So she'll be sending them out from next week. But yeah, if you want to snaffle one of the last 2 of those, get over to the Gorgeous Yarns website. We'll put the link below directly to that pattern. So you get the pattern and you get 6 hand dyed, naturally dyed blue faced Leicester mini skeins with it, and unfortunately I haven't got them. I've only got big skeins here, I can't show you, but yeah, so they're available now. There's 2 left on pre-order, but from next week hopefully she'll have dyed some more. And what else do you want to ask me about? Oh, is there anything else you wanted to say about the
St Ives scarf?
The St Ives scarf. Oh, shall I tell people about the history, a little bit about the history of the St Ives scarf? So for people that don't know, Mrs Smith wanted me to come up with a pattern for people to learn fairisle. So the idea is that if you're learning fairisle, you don't want to be doing anything like that. You want to learn something simple. So you just want to get started. So the idea was that you do lots of plain rows. So there's lots of plain stripes. So it's nice and easy and fast because of that. And then obviously you're going to slow down as you're practicing your fairisle on just the 9 little rows of fairisle. So the idea is that someone that's new to it can do fairisle, but it's a nice quick project. I think I knitted mine in a day, but if you're new to what I would say is, it might take you a bit longer, but what I would say as well, that there are 3 supporting videos on YouTube of how to make the scarf. What we need to do is change the title on those, Joe, just to remind you, because at the moment they just say St Albans, but it's the same thing for the
what else are we
St
working
Ives.
on with Caroline?
What else we're working on with Caroline? So our intention is that obviously when we were making up packs, it was taking up too much of our time, so we asked Caroline to come on board and help us and make packs. And we specifically picked Caroline because we just love the colours that she uses and the natural dyes and everything, and she's local. So what was the question? Oh, what am I working on? So the thing that I'm working on at the moment, and we're filming this to come out in the middle of January, is Bluebird. Obviously with the Bluebird design was my first ever design, came out in 2021 by the look of it there, Joe. It's I've put 2021 on the bottom of it. Yeah. And this is one of the original posters, and the kids been colouring it in. So it is the Bluebird shawl. It's a shawl. I'm making a shawl this time. I knitted it as a baby blanket back then, but when we went round my sister's house, and my sister lives in Essex, so it's a long way away, it was lovely to see one of these over a sofa, and it looked great. And I'm like, well, why haven't I got one of them? So that was my plan, and then I went looking for the colour, and I found Caroline and this colour, Starling's Wing. I fell in love with that colour, and I thought that would it's just lovely and creamy. This is clotted cream, so I thought the two of those just would work great together. So I've been working on redoing it, but more as a shawl. So I'm going to put this time. I'm going to put.
Oh, this is a little reveal.
I'm going to put what they call, Joe, tassels. I'm going to put tassels on it, so I'm really excited about that. So I'm going to be putting tassels on that at the end, so it's a little bit extra and makes it. I wouldn't have put tassels on a baby blanket, but it'd be great on something for the home, or even something to wear. You could wear it if you wanted. So that's what we're filming this every day, so we're doing like a daily vlog that we're going to release in the middle of January, so people can do a knit along in the middle of January. And this pattern with the new yarn kits, these are going to be available in a couple of weeks, so we'll let you know about that. Yeah, beautiful, absolutely beautiful colour, the Starling's Wing. We are knitting a daily vlog, and then in the middle of January people will be able to knit along with me day by day.
Caroline, when are they available?
Those they're not even available for pre-order yet, and I'm pretty certain that she hasn't dyed the yarn for these because she's been busy. We're keeping her busy dyeing the yarn for those. But yes, I think they'll probably be open for pre-order next week, something like that, but we'll ask Caroline and let people know. So that's mainly what I'm working on, and we're filming this daily vlog. It's getting near the end of the month, and I just want to say about our Etsy shop. Our Etsy shop is, so we've still got a few of these packs left for our St Albans scarf.
You can knit 2 out of that.
You can knit 2, so you could knit probably that and that if you wanted. So we've still got a couple of those left in our, because obviously we're moving away from this. So we've had a big sale in our Etsy shop, and we've given viewers a code that they can use, and that gives them 20% off. So it's Gary Ray Smith. I'll put the link below to the Etsy shop. So it's Gary Ray Smith on Etsy. And some people have said, oh, I don't get paid yet. So I say, well, I'll run it on for a couple of days. So until the 2nd of November, you can get 20% discount in our Etsy shop. That's on everything, so anything you want. A lot of people have got stuff sitting in their baskets, so get back there and buy the stuff while you can get the 20% discount. And you just need to use the code viewers only, all uppercase, all one word. Is that it for today, Joe? Anything else you want to say?
Cat's back.
Oh, your cat's back. Cat's been on the holiday. He's actually been on an exhibition in London. So he's back, so that's nice.
Anyone wants to know about the cat?
And you can get that pattern on our Etsy shop as well. Get it with
Ravelry, isn't it?
It's on Ravelry too, but you can get it on the Etsy shop as a poster. Nice poster print like that. Nice big poster print. Viewers only, 20% off. So it is goodbye from me and goodbye from her.
Bye.
Bye.